Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.4, Problem 11. This is Section 3.4, Problem 11. It says multiply the given numbers, and we have 8.32 times 0.002. A lot of decimals. So at first, just ignore the decimals and multiply 832 times 2. Just initially ignore the decimals, get the answer, and then put them back into the answer. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 8 is 16. The rest is 0. So really, if you multiply 2 times 832, the answer is 1,664. Now we have to put the decimals in, though. So how many places after the decimal in the question? Count that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places after the decimal in the question. So I have to have 5 places after the decimal in my answer. Same number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We ran out. So what I can do, I have to have 5 places after the decimal in my answer. I can just fill in a 0. And then if I have 0.01664, that gives me 5 places after the decimal. Now, some people like to put the 0 first so you have a digit. That's optional. You can say it's 0.01664.